Alright, what's up guys, this is Naughty Buddy and we are back with another video of PS4, PS5 software firmware update. So I just ended my stream of GTSM and we asked the definite edition and noticed that we have a system software update. So let's get into this. As you guys know, this is a notification video to all PS5 owners out there. If you are on PS5, do not forget to update your system software to get the latest functionals active on your system. Right, so let me navigate it to you all. So you need to go to the settings and then go to system software update and settings. And as you can see, there is I'm sure there was. Alright, it's currently checking for the system software. Let's give it a couple of seconds or a minute. Alright, so there is an update. Alright, so PS5 system software will be updated. To check the update details, scan the QR code. Okay, so let's do one thing. Alright, let's go through the what sort of system software update it is. Let's read the update logs or whatever it is. So, but if you guys want to skip this part and head to if you don't want me to go through, I have added chapters or timestamps. You can skip directly to the part where we are actually doing a tutorial of how you can update it. But if you guys want to check it out, then please be with me while I pull up the system software update page. Right, so let's go to that. Alright, so this is the system software version 24.05-09.60.00. I hope the screen is visible. Yes, it is. Alright, so let's read it together so we can understand what this system software is all about. So you can invite other players to the game session by sharing a URL to the session. To invite other players, open the game session action card and select the share link. Then scan the QR code with your mobile device to share the link. Alright, this is interesting. This feature is available only for open session that anyone can join. This feature will be gradually rolled out to all players by 24th of July. Alright, so just a heads up, because I know back then when they introduced that Discord voice chat integration with PlayStation, a lot of people were commenting on my previous video that I have not enabled this feature. So give it a week or two because they are pretty much slow. They will probably be releasing this feature to the people based in US and then all the Western countries and then Asian countries and then other regions of the world. So if you see a delay, if you're not able to see it by 24th July, just give it a week or two more. And if you cannot, then put a comment, just comment down below so that I can personally reach out to PS5 software update help and let's see what's going on. Alright, second feature they have added is voice command now supports the ability to open game help action cards by saying show game help. Currently, voice command preview is available only in English for players with accounts for PlayStation Network in US and UK. So as I said, they will be trying it out in Western and European countries first, and I was correct. So this is only available in US and UK for now, but I believe gradually they will probably test it out, see what the sample size react to it, how it does, and then gradually release to the rest of the world. We have improved the system software performance and stability. We have updated the device software or some DualSense wireless controller to improve the stability. We have improved the message and usability on screens. Alright, so I guess it's not very biggie update, but yeah, the only thing we take away from this update is it's a normal system software update, and they have introduced two new features, which is you can invite other players by sharing a URL. And there's a voice command now, which is only available to people in US and UK, or the accounts which are created in US and UK. Alright, not bad. Alright, so let's get into this. I'm gonna click on update here. Alright, so it's currently downloading the file, which is 1.193 GB. It shouldn't take that long. Alright, just 4 seconds now and almost done. So we have successfully downloaded the update file and now it's going to install. So it's going to take another couple of maybe 10-20 seconds here. Alright, so it has successfully installed. Now my PS5 is going to probably restart, and then I believe it will I believe there's a second step where it will reinstall again, or I don't know, something. There's always 2 times. Yeah, it's probably installing it again. Probably verifying the installation. So let's wait as it suggests. All right, installing. Okay. But guys, if you face any issues while doing this step or while doing this process, then just let me know down in the comment section, or you can also join my Discord server. The link is in the description, as well as on the end screen and end car or like icons on the top right. Anywhere, you'll probably see it there. So do not hesitate to join and just tag me or just add me on Discord. All right, almost there, 73%. And here we go. All right, so my PS5 is restarting now. And that's the reason you are seeing this black screen. So please do not be alarmed when you notice one. It's from restarting, and soon we'll get an update or notification that PS5 is restarted and updates are done. There we go. Right. I really love this music. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, system software update is completed. Perfect. Okay, that's great. Alright. Let's give it a check and see if it did complete or not. Alright, let's go to the settings. System software update. Don't mind. Alright, it's up to date. Perfect. So we don't have to worry about it. So guys, this was just a notification video to all the PS5 owners out there that hey, PS5 system software update is out. And I know if you have just I believe it was released this Monday or probably yesterday or probably today. I don't know, whenever I'm uploading the video, probably a day before that. I'm really sorry for missing it when it was released. I was streaming, as you can see, it's a gaming channel. So that being said, once again, thank you so much guys, and make sure you keep your PS5 system software updated so that you can use all the latest feature. And don't be alarmed if you are not seeing it right away. It takes at least 2 weeks for it for the PS5 to roll out to all the accounts. So if you are in US and UK, you'll probably see it first, but if you are in Asia, you'll probably see it a bit later than the rest of the world. Alright, thank you so much once again guys. This is Naughty Buddy, and once again, you shout out to all my channel members. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.